Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. iOS version, available space, and battery level. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is active for quick testing. Once done, pick the wallpaper image you want and save it to Photos. Next, collect any widget apps and a quick note on preferred clock style so you can match fonts and layout. This saves time when you open settings. Make sure to stay in the Photos and Settings apps throughout the initial steps. You now change the wallpaper and add widgets to match the iPhone look. Press and hold the lock screen, tap Customize, then select Photos to choose your image and pick Still or Perspective. Once wallpaper is applied, tap the widget area to add, remove, or reorder widgets. Choose Compact widgets to mimic iPhone spacing. Make sure to grant widget apps permissions, otherwise widgets show blanks. After arranging, lock the phone and test that widgets update. You finish by refining clock font, color, and placement to match the iPhone aesthetic. Open the lock screen editor and tap the clock to cycle styles, and use accessibility for larger text if needed. Next, set notification style so banners don't clutter the view. Choose Count or Stack for a clean look. If widgets or wallpaper won't save, restart the device, reset the lock screen layout, and make sure iOS is updated. If problems persist, revoke and regrant widget permissions, then retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.